Cardano isn't just another cryptocurrency, it's a third-generation blockchain built on scientific research and peer-reviewed academic work. Unlike many projects that rush innovation, Cardano's methodical, research-driven approach aims for security, scalability, and sustainability. Its mission: solve the big challenges of earlier blockchains, scalability, interoperability, and sustainability, while providing a robust ecosystem for everyone. The native token, ADA, powers every transaction, smart contract, and vote on the network. ADA holders can stake their tokens to secure the network and earn rewards, making ADA an active asset. Cardano's vision is to become a global financial and social operating system attracting both investors and developers. Founded by Charles Hoskinson, a co-founder of Ethereum, Cardano was built from the ground up with lessons learned from previous blockchains. Its layered architecture, separating settlement and computation, enables easier upgrades and greater security. Each development phase, named after historical figures, has added critical functionality: media group, vintage illustration of Lord Byron, symbolic imagery of blockchain foundation building blocks, Cardano development timeline with historical figure portraits @distribute_equally, Byron for the foundation, Shelley for decentralization, and Gauguin for smart contracts. Now, Cardano stands on the brink of its most transformative updates yet. These next steps aim to unlock the network's full potential, shifting Cardano from a promising platform to a powerhouse of decentralized activity. The world is watching to see if this scientific, deliberate approach will finally pay off. Cardano's journey is about building a blockchain that lasts, not just for today, but for decades to come. The stage is set for Cardano's most ambitious chapter yet. Cardano's 2025 roadmap is defined by two monumental eras, Basho and Voltaire. Basho focuses on scaling and optimization, preparing Cardano for global adoption by dramatically increasing transaction capacity. Voltaire, meanwhile, is all about governance, introducing a system where ADA holders shape the network's future. These eras are being rolled out in parallel, ensuring Cardano becomes both more powerful and more decentralized. Basho promises faster, cheaper transactions, making decentralized applications practical for everything from finance to gaming. Voltaire gives every ADA holder a real voice, transforming holding ADA into active participation in a global community. The transition marks the moment when Cardano's community takes full control, fulfilling the project's founding vision. With these upgrades, Cardano aims to become a truly public, open infrastructure for the world. The successful completion of Basho and Voltaire will fulfill Cardano's original white paper and launch a new era of community-led growth. For users and investors, these are the most exciting and pivotal upgrades yet. At the heart of Basho is Hydra, a Layer 2 scaling solution designed to make Cardano incredibly fast. Hydra creates off-chain state channels, allowing groups to transact instantly and cheaply without congesting the main blockchain. Each Hydra head can process up to 1,000 transactions per second, and thousands of heads can run in parallel. This architecture could one day enable Cardano to handle up to 1 million transactions per second, rivaling the fastest blockchains. For users, Hydra means decentralized apps will feel as fast and responsive as traditional web apps. Micropayments and new business models become possible, unlocking opportunities for creators and digital economies. The real test is Hydra's real-world performance. Speed must come with security and decentralization. Hydra inherits Cardano's security, ensuring off-chain transactions remain safe. As developers integrate Hydra, Cardano's scaling solution will pave the way for mass adoption. 2025 is the year Cardano aims to prove it can deliver speed at scale. The Voltaire era delivers true decentralization, putting Cardano's future in the hands of ADA holders. Voltaire introduces a new voting system and a decentralized treasury, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem. ADA holders can propose, vote on, and fund projects, software updates, and network improvements. Voting power is proportional to ADA holdings, ensuring those most invested have the strongest voice. The treasury, funded by transaction fees and staking rewards, supports innovation and growth. Developers and entrepreneurs can seek funding directly from the community, fueling continuous development. This on-chain governance model makes Cardano self-sufficient, no longer reliant on a central organization. The result, a blockchain that adapts and thrives, driven by its global community. Voltaire isn't just an upgrade, it's the birth of a fully autonomous digital nation. Cardano's governance model sets a new standard for blockchain democracy. The community now has the tools to shape Cardano's destiny. Basho's scaling and Voltaire's governance aren't just improvements, they're a fundamental transformation for Cardano. Hydra positions Cardano to leapfrog competitors in speed and scalability, attracting developers and new projects. Voltaire's on-chain governance gives ADA holders direct control, building trust and loyalty. This model fosters a vibrant, self-sustaining ecosystem where the best ideas get funded by the community. Unlike platforms reliant on venture capital, Cardano's upgrades complete its original vision, a secure, scalable, and self-governed blockchain. The result is a platform ready to power a new, more equitable global financial system. Cardano can now provide accessible financial services, transparent supply chains, and true digital ownership. The 2025 upgrades turn years of research into a real-world engine for positive change. Cardano is now positioned as a foundational layer for the future of decentralized technology. Predicting ADA's price is tough, but Cardano's 2025 roadmap offers three main scenarios. In a bullish case, successful Hydra and Voltaire rollouts could spark a surge in users, developers, and institutional interest, pushing ADA toward the $2-3 range. A moderate scenario sees steady progress and adoption, with ADA appreciating to 80 cents, $1.60 as confidence grows. In a bearish case, delays, technical issues, or market downturns could push ADA below 60 cents, though strong community support may provide a price floor. Ultimately, ADA's value will reflect Cardano's ability to deliver on its promises. The interplay of technology, adoption, and market sentiment will shape the outcome. Success could unlock significant value, setbacks could lead to disappointment. These scenarios are guides, not guarantees. Investors should focus on fundamentals, not just price predictions. Cardano's future depends on execution and community engagement. Cardano's success in 2025 hinges on four key forces: technology, adoption, regulation, and competition. Seamless Basho and Voltaire upgrades are essential. Any bugs or delays could damage momentum. Ecosystem growth is critical. Cardano must attract developers, quality dApps, and active users to thrive. Institutional interest and regulatory clarity could boost Cardano's legitimacy and adoption. Partnerships with major financial firms add credibility and may attract conservative capital. However, harsh regulations could create headwinds for the entire industry. Competition is fierce. Cardano must continuously innovate to stand out among Ethereum, Solana, and others. Its unique blend of security, scalability, and governance is its edge. Cardano's future depends on delivering a compelling value proposition in a rapidly evolving market. Success will require both flawless execution and differentiation. Cardano's 2025 journey is filled with both risks and opportunities. The opportunity: become a foundational layer for Web3, hosting applications that redefine finance, gaming, and more. Cardano's research-driven approach and robust security could make it the platform of choice for high-stakes use cases. Voltaire's governance model empowers the community, fostering loyalty and innovation. But risks remain. Execution challenges, market volatility, and fierce competition could stall progress. Delays or failures in Hydra's rollout could erode confidence. A prolonged bear market could suppress ADA's price regardless of technological advances. Cardano must prove its methodical approach delivers superior results. The path forward demands diligence, adaptability, and community resolve. 2025 is a pivotal year. Cardano's long-awaited scaling and governance upgrades are finally here. Basho brings the speed for global adoption. Voltaire hands control to the community. Cardano's passionate community is now empowered to shape the network's future. Every ADA holder becomes an active participant in building a new kind of digital society. The challenges are real. Technology, adoption, and competition will test the project. But the reward is a truly global, decentralized platform offering fairness and opportunity to all. Cardano's vision inspires millions, and 2025 marks the transition from theory to practice. Whether you're a developer, investor, or believer in decentralization, Cardano's next chapter is one to watch. The foundation is set. Now, the world will see what can be built upon it. For Cardano, the future is being built, block by its own community.